Hello friends, welcome to our mathematics program for grade 8. Today we're going to look at the second part on personal and household finance. Remember, in the last video we looked at how to solve VAT problems and how to solve problems involving percentage increase and percentage decrease. Now today we are going to talk about personal and household finance, that is the part 2. Well, we'll see together how to calculate profit and loss, including percentage profit and percentage loss, and how to solve problems involving discount. So let's start. Now, profit. What do we mean by a profit? A profit is made when the selling price is greater than the cost price, or what you call the buying price. You've done that since primary years. Now, a loss is made when the selling price is lower than the cost price or the buying price. Now, in grade 8, we'll see together how to calculate the percentage profit and the percentage loss. Now, percentage profit is profit over the cost price times 100%. And percentage loss, that's loss over the cost price times 100%. Let's take an example. Now, Carol bought an article for 600 rupees and sold it at 850 rupees. Part A, find the profit that Carol made. And part B, find the profit made as a percentage of the cost price. How do we do that? Well, you know that the buying price is 500 rupees. The selling price, 850 rupees. So, for the part A, Carol's profit, that will be selling price minus the buying price. That is 850 rupees minus 500 rupees, which is 350 rupees. So for part B, that is to calculate the percentage profit, it's profit over the cost price times 100%. That is 350 divided by 500 times 100%. So we can say that Carol's percentage profit is 70%. Let's take another example. Sarojwa bought a bag for 400 rupees. She sold it at a profit of 30%. Calculate the selling price of the bag. We have two methods to do that. Let's see method 1. We know that the cost price is 100% and we have a profit of 30%. So the selling price will be 100% plus 30%, which is 130%. So 100% will be 400 rupees, right? 1%, 400 divided by 100. And for 130%, so that will be 400 divided by 100 times 130, which is 520 rupees. So the selling price of the bag is 520 rupees. Let's move to method 2. We know that the cost price is 400 rupees. We have a profit of 30%. So the profit, to calculate the value of the profit, it will be 30 over 100 times 400. That is 120 rupees. Now, the selling price of the bag, that will be the buying price plus the profit. That is 400 rupees plus 120 rupees, which is 520 rupees. Let's take another example. Lopez bought a game for 1,800 rupees. He sold it at a loss of 20%. Find the selling price of the game. Method 1. So we know that the cost price is 100%. We have a loss this time of 20%. So the selling price will be the cost price minus the loss. That is 100% minus 20%, which is 80%. But we know that 100% is 1,800 rupees, right? So 1%, what do? 1,800 divide by 100. And for 80%, it will be 1,800 divided by 100 times 80. That is 1,440 rupees. We can say that this represents the selling price of the game. Method 2. Cost price 1,800 rupees. We have a loss of 20%. So what we can do is to calculate the value of the loss. How do you do that? Well, the loss is 20 over 100 times 1,800. That is 360 rupees. So the selling price is simply the buying price minus the loss. That is 1,800 minus 360 rupees, which gives you 1,440 rupees. We take another example. Jason sold a bicycle for 8,600 rupees, making a loss of 20%. The question is, what was the buying price of the bicycle? How do we do that? Well, we know that the buying price is 100%. We know that we have a loss of 20%. So the selling price will be the buying price minus the loss. That is 100% minus 20%, which is 80%. Now 80% represents 8,600. So what do we need to do? Well, we always go back to 1%. 1% will be 8,600 divided by 80. And to calculate for 100%, you take 8,600 divided by 80 times 100, which gives you 10,750. Right? So the buying price of the bicycle is 10,750 rupees. So these are a few exercises for you to practice. In question 1, you need to fill in the blank spaces, right? So you have cost price, buying price, selling price, profit or loss, and percentage profit or percentage loss. Question 2. Liam bought 60 eggs for 300 rupees. On reaching home, he found that 5 eggs were broken. He sold the remaining eggs at 8 rupees each. Find, part A, his profit or loss, and part B, his percentage profit or percentage loss. Question 3. Lakshina bought a book at 600 rupees. She sold the book, making a profit of 15%. Find the selling price of the book. Question 4. Tanya bought a dozen of copybooks at 180 rupees. She sold each copybook at 20 rupees each. Find the percentage profit. We now move to discount. Now, what is a discount? A discount is simply a reduction in the actual price of an article. Okay? So, discount is the actual price, or we call it also the mark price, minus the sale price of the article. And for the percentage discount, it is discount over mark price or actual price times 100%. Let's take an example. The actual actual price of a television is 12,000 rupees. In a sale, the price is reduced to 10,400 rupees. Find part A, the discount, and part B, the percentage discount. Let's see how to tackle this type of question. Now, we know that the actual price of television is 12,000 rupees. We know that the sale price of the television is 10,400 rupees. Part A, we were asked to find the discount. So discount is actual price minus the sale price. That is 12,000 rupees minus 10,400 rupees, which is 1,600 rupees. Now, to find the percentage discount, it's simply discount over the actual price times 100%. That is 1,600 over 12,000 rupees times 100, which is 13.3%. We take another example. For the festive period, Kido Limited offered a 15% discount on all its articles. If the actual price of an item was 2,300 rupees, calculate the sale price of the item. Okay, let's start. So, actual price, you know that it is 2,300. We'll have two methods to do it. Method 1. We know that the percentage discount is 15%. Now, to find the discount, what do? So, it's 15 over 100 times 2,300, which is 345. So, the sale price of the article will be the actual price minus the discount. That is 2,300 minus 345, which is 1,955. Method 2. We know that actual price 2,300. Percentage discount 15%. So the sale price will be 100% minus 15% of the mark price, which is 85% of the mark price. So the sale price, what we do is simply 85, that is 85%, so it's 85 over 100 times 2,300, which is 1,955. Example 3. For its 50th anniversary, GameZone reduced all its prices by 25%. Kushal bought a game at 1,800 rupees. Find the mark price of the game. Right. Let's see. Percentage discount 25%. We know that the sale price will be 100% minus 25% of the mark price. So that will be 75% of the mark price. Right? Now, 75% represent 1,800. Now we go back to 1%. So 1% will be 1,800 divided by 75. 100% will be 1,800 divided by 75 times 100%, which is 2,400 rupees. So we can say that the mark price is 2,400 rupees. Now we move on to a few exercises for you to practice. Question 1. The original price of an article was 840 rupees. Given that Dan received a 5% discount, how much did he pay for the article? Question 2. Lavna got 1,035 rupees as discount on a watch which cost 6,900 rupees. Find the percentage discount received. Question 3. Adoya wants to buy some shirts priced at 400 rupees. Given that the shop gives 20% discount and Adoya has 1,700 rupees, how many shirts will he be able to buy? Question 4. Krish bought a pair of trousers at 3,200 rupees during a sale. The price of the trousers before the sales was 4,000 rupees. Calculate part A, the amount of discount Krish obtained, and part B, the percentage discount. Question number 5. During a sale, Furniture Limited reduces the price of all its articles by 40%. Tim buys the 3 chairs with a sale price of 800 rupees each and 1 table with a sale price of 15,000 rupees. Calculate part A, the original price of the chair and the table. And part B, the total amount of discount Tim receives. So dear friends, what have we done today? We have talked about personal and household finance, right? So we have seen together how to calculate percentage profit, that is profit over the cost price times 100. Percentage loss, which is loss over the cost price times 100. We have also seen together how to calculate discount, that is the mark price minus the sale price, and percentage discount, which is discount over the mark price times 100. Now, what do you need to do? Well, as usual, you need to go through the exercises in this video and to work on the exercises which are in your manual, right? So until we meet again for the third part on personal and household finance, it's goodbye for now.